wake you up.
Oh, yeah.
He's happy.
Huh?
I said he's happy, Otis. He's being Jacob's bird.
He must be Jacob bird in the morning.
I guess. He loves you. Look at that little bird head.
You can't say anything with me and go sleep.
You gotta get up, get ready for your ball game. He's been trying to wake you up all morning. He was sitting on you.
I don't even know.
Nope. I was watching to make sure you didn't roll on him or anything. Where are you going, Jacob's bird? Where are you going, Jacob's bird?
Aww.
I'm coming to see you. He's so cute. Give him a kiss. Yoda. He thinks you said it. Say it.
Yoda.
Aww.